Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to hack Heroes Infinity and get unlimited stellar money and mods on Android and iOS. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, General, Background Refresh, and make sure that Wi-Fi and cellular data is on. Once you've done that, go to your browser and search for sideload.dev. Again, this works on Android and iOS. So once you've typed in sideload.dev, you can just go ahead and press go. And as you can see, you'll be taken to this page. In here, you just want to search for Heroes Infinity. There it is, Heroes Infinity. Tap on it and tap Start Injection. As you can see, it will begin downloading heroesinfinity.gz. And the camera's trying to get out of focus, so let's put it back in focus. There we go. And once it's begin downloading, then you just have to be basically patient, as it's just injecting all the unlimited stellar money and mods into the app with the app. So yeah, and you just basically have to be patient. This does depend on your internet speed. So if your internet's slow, then this can take some time. But if your internet's fast, then obviously it'll be done very quickly. And as you can see, this is the last step. You'll be taken to this page, and in here it'll say you are almost there, please install 2 free apps to finish the injection process. So you just want to do exactly that, and I'm going to be installing this one just like so. Download and install. I'll go back and do the same thing with a different app. So I'm going to be getting this one. Your apps may be different, but it does not affect the process. As long as you download 2 and install 2, you'll be good to go. And as you can see, I've just downloaded and installed that one, and you can just go back to your home screen, and this one's done, so you just want to open it and run it for 30 seconds. So you just want to press agree and continue or whatever you want, and this one asks for a payment, but you don't have to pay for anything. You just basically have to interact with it for 30 seconds, so you can tell our servers that you can get all your unlimited stellar money and mods. So yeah, and once you've been running the app for 30 seconds like I have now, you can just go ahead and swipe, do the same thing with the second app, so just run this one for 30 seconds as well, just like so. You can even put your phone on the table like that, guys. And once that's done, you can just go back to your home screen, swipe, and you'll see Heroes Infinity plus plus appear on your home screen just like that, guys. It's really that simple, and the plus plus indicates that this is a hacked app, which means you'll get your unlimited stellar money and mods. So yeah, and if you do not see this game, then make sure that, well, the app icon, make sure that you go ahead and run these apps that you downloaded for longer. And if you still don't see it, then restart your device, as it may be something on your end or on our end, but it's fine. And once you've seen your app, you can just go ahead and delete these apps like so, that you downloaded previously. There we go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, smash that subscribe button, and leave a like. So bye guys.